here in India, sugar is a very important part of our diet. चाहे अपनी morning tea हो or the sweets that we have at all our functions. Sugar is such an important part of our diet. And बहुत सुना होगा आपने कि sugar is not good, sugar is bad, sugar can be harmful. हमने ऐसे भी वीडियो बनाया that sugar can kill you. So क्या सच में all sugars are the same? या sugar के अंदर भी there can be differences? बहुत तरीके के sugar है, but there may be some which may be considered healthy. So in today's video we will talk about healthy sugars, and I'm sure आपके लिए बहुत सारे surprises है इस वीडियो में. So first we should know what is sugar. When we say sugar is bad, what exactly do we mean by sugar? Sugar is a kind of simple carbohydrate that is meant to give us energy, and the simplest of sugars are what are called as monosaccharide. उसमें एक ही molecule है. It may be just glucose, it may be just fructose, but there's only one molecule, so that is called as monosaccharide. And glucose is the easiest form जिसमें body को energy मिलती है. So if someone says कि sugar zero करो या बिल्कुल मत खाओ, then you may not get the short-term energy that your body needs. And when we measure blood sugar, we are actually measuring the blood glucose level. When we say blood sugar, it means the blood glucose level. So glucose is the sugar which is measured in all our blood tests. And the regular table sugar is not just glucose, but actually made up of डाइसैक्राइड मॉलिक्यूल्स, और ये डाइसैक्राइड को सुक्रोज कहते हैं और वहीं से नाम शुगर फेमस हुआ है. दिस सुक्रोज इज अ डाइसैक्राइड मींस उसमें दो मॉलिक्यूल है, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ फ्रुक्टोज. ग्लूकोज की हमने बहुत बात कर ली, बट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज फ्रुक्टोज? सो नाउ आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज फ्रुक्टोज. Fructose again is a natural type of sugar mainly found in fruits. इसीलिए उसको fructose कहते हैं because it is found in fruits. Whether you eat an apple, a banana or even the custard apple, उन सब के अंदर जो sweetness है that is because of fructose. In its natural form, fructose is not as harmful as we believe it is क्योंकि it is also packed with other nutrients including fiber. And because of the fiber and antioxidant, जो शुगर रिलीज होता है ब्लड में दैट इज लिटिल स्लो. सो जो शुगर स्पाइक्स आ सकते हैं विद कंजम्पशन ऑफ सिंपल शुगर्स, फ्रुक्टोज फ्रॉम फ्रूट्स में ऐसा नहीं होगा. एंड अनलाइक ग्लूकोज ऐसा मॉलिक्यूल है जो बॉडी के हर एक सेल्स यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं टू गेट एनर्जी, बट फ्रुक्टोज कैन ओनली बी यूज्ड बाय आवर लिवर. सो फ्रुक्टोज कैनॉट बी यूज्ड बाय मोस्ट ऑफ द अदर बॉडी सेल्स एंड इट नीड्स द हेल्प ऑफ लिवर. और ये लिवर क्या काम करता है? सो व्हेन द फ्रुक्टोज रीचेस टू द लिवर विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू यूजेबल फॉर्म. So some amount of that fructose is converted to glucose. A small amount of that fructose will be converted into glycogen. ये glycogen is again a complex carbohydrate जो energy को store करता है mainly into the muscles. So ये glycogen is what will help you जब आप ज़्यादा exercise करते हैं, and glycogen again is released जिससे आपको energy मिल सकती है. This glycogen is again mainly used or mainly stored into muscles. And अगर उसके भी ऊपर फ्रुक्टोज का लेवल है लिवर के पास, then it will convert it into a third thing which is called as triglyceride. ये triglyceride is actually a type of fat. So अगर फ्रुक्टोज लेवल बहुत हाई हो जाता है, consumption is high, then not just glucose or glycogen but that extra fructose can be converted into fat as triglycerides, and this triglycerides can circulate throughout your body. इसलिए अगर आप normal fruits खाते हैं and normal quantity में खाते हैं, then this fructose may not really harm you much. It may be relatively healthy as compared to a processed sugar. But अगर fructose का consumption ज़्यादा हो जाता है, if you eat too many fruits or too many processed foods, खास करके बिस्किट्स, वेफर्स, चिप्स, ब्रेड, काफ़ी सारे प्रोसेस्ड फूड्स में फ्रुक्टोज इज एडेड इनटू इट. एंड कई बार नाम फ्रुक्टोज नहीं होता है, इट मे बी हाई फ्रुक्टोज कॉर्न सिरप और सम अदर नेम्स आर गिवन फॉर दिस फ्रुक्टोज. एंड वो राइट फ्रॉम फूड आइटम्स to even the cereals to bakery items, बहुत सारे foods में add होता है. So if your diet has a lot of this processed foods, you may be consuming a lot of amount of fructose जो आपके body को sugar से भी ज़्यादा harmful हो सकता है. Even many of the snacks and foods that we eat can also have a lot of this fructose into it. So fructose by itself is not bad, but an overload of fructose, especially अगर वो natural form में नहीं है, can be harmful for your body. So fructose की तरह fructose का भी एक दूसरा भाई है जो बहुत famous नहीं है, and that is called as allulose. Allulose. So molecular structure उसका fructose जैसा ही है, but it behaves very differently. And this new type of sugar is gaining popularity across the world. This allulose is a rare type of sugar, or naturally it is found in few foods like figs, almonds, and sometimes even corn and potato starch. But this allulose behaves in a different way because taste में वैसा sweetness है, but it does not increase your glucose levels. So allulose can be one of the healthiest sugars to eat because it has calorie free and does not cause those sugar spikes that other sugars can cause. And allulose में एक और अच्छी चीज है, unlike glucose and fructose, that allulose भले ही sweetness देता है, but it is excreted through your body. It is not converted into either a different form of sugar or into fat. So fructose जैसे convert हो जाता था into glycogen or triglyceride, allulose would not be converted. So that makes allulose one of the safer alternatives when it comes to consuming sugar. In fact, one of a study published in a reputed journal of diabetes showed that allulose can even improve the insulin sensitivity, and insulin resistance is one of the prime reasons जिसकी वजह से काफी सारे body में problems आते हैं. And this allulose is known to improve insulin sensitivity, so it can benefit in another way also. So the big question is, can sugars be healthy for us? The answer is partly yes, if they are consumed in smaller quantities and in the natural form. There's a lot of hype about sugar in the recent dates because sugars, we all know, right from diabetes, obesity, metabolic syndrome to even weight gain, heart attacks, and artery blockages, sugar is known to cause too many problems. But if we are able to figure out a certain type of sugar जो ये सब problems नहीं करे, and it can still satisfy your sugar craving and nothing like that. Even sugar की बात करें तो some of you may feel that sugar के alternatives के बारे में क्या आपका ख्याल है, and I'll tell you about a few common alternatives which are used to sugar. उसमें से the first is jaggery या गुड़. Many people believe that white sugar अच्छी नहीं है, brown sugar is good, or maybe use jaggery as an alternative. क्या सच में there are a lot of differences? Yes, there are a few differences, but jaggery also is plain sugar because दोनों sugar and jaggery both are made from the same thing. Sugar cane से ही दोनों चीज बनती है. तो क्या difference है? Sugar becomes ultra processed. जो table sugar है, that is ultra processed, whereas jaggery is unrefined in many ways. So jaggery में it also retains some amount of fiber and antioxidants and minerals including iron. So jaggery can be a little better to sugar, but at the end jaggery में भी उतनी ही calories है which a normal table sugar has. So even consumption of jaggery in a larger amount will still give you the same harmful effect. So you can use it as an alternative, but remember, moderation is key. And similarly, another natural sweetener very popular is honey. So honey is popular because it's a natural sweetener, very concentrated, and it can also lead to your blood glucose spikes. But main फायदा है that it has lot of antioxidants which can give you a beneficial effect. So honey in a smaller quantity may not be as harmful as normal table sugar. There are a number of other alternatives to sugar, some of which are derived from plant sources, जैसे stevia is one. It can also give you sweetness without the calories, but कुछ लोगों को उसका taste थोड़ा unpleasant लगता है. So these are three common alternatives which are used for sugar. And if I was to give you how to choose the best sugar, so these are a few tips जो आपको बहुत काम आएंगे. The first tip is always choose whole fruits as compared to fruit juices or even processed foods. So The sugar in these natural fruits will be less harmful as compared to what you get from other processed foods, including bakery items and even so-called healthy fruit juices. The second tip would be you can think of replacing your sugar with the newer molecule allulose. You can search for it. Abhi last year में ही allulose की companies are now increasing and you'll find it available online in different markets. It has been approved by the Indian food authorities also as a natural low-calorie sweetener. So you will hear about allulose in time to come. The third tip is read labels carefully. सिर्फ वही foods नहीं है जो sweet दिखते हैं, but sugars can be disguised into different food items as well. Biscuits, ketchup, or even your bread can often have these sugars. So please read the labels before you consume the food. The fourth tip would be to reduce your sugar intake, which happens when you cook your food at home. At home आपको मालूम है कि आप कितना sugar sweets में डालते हैं versus sweets which you buy from outside. You have no idea कि उसमें कितना sweet डाला हुआ है और क्या sugar डाली है. And the fifth tip would be to balance your sugar intake. Zero consumption of sugar can be good for a very short term, but maintaining that consistently may not be possible for most of us. So you have to learn to balance your sugar intake and also pair it up with the right amount of proteins and fibers. I'm sure ये सारी information आपको बहुत काम लगेगी and you might be wondering कि sugar और क्या problems कर सकता है. That should be really worried about sugar. Then I'm sure you'll find this interesting video really helpful to you.